Are you tired of setting goals but never reaching them? Our Goal Tracker template is the solution you need to turn your dreams into reality.
Our Goal Tracker template is essential for success. Our straightforward design helps you identify objectives, prioritize, and stay on track.
Designed to simplify your life, this easy-to-use template helps you break down your goals into manageable steps.
A user-friendly design that simplifies monitoring and planning can accelerate your success. Our strategy may accommodate personal or professional ambitions.
With a focus on productivity and organization, you'll stay motivated and on track. Simplicity and efficiency. This template offers a straightforward layout, making it easy for anyone to use. No more complicated software or overwhelming apps. Just clear, concise steps to help you achieve your goals. Boost your motivation. Seeing your progress in real time can be incredibly motivating. Our template allows you to track each milestone, keeping you inspired and focused.
Planning how to achieve your objectives would motivate you. Template for goal tracking.